Good morning everyone. Today students of Euro Global Academy are going to present a session based on Parliament, where you will come to know that how speakers are managing rules and order, how ministers are playing their roles, and how they are taking responsibilities and they are ready to do that work. So let's begin our session.
Honorable Speaker, all members are present. You may begin today's parliamentary session.
The House will come to order. Today's session is special because we have newly appointed ministers. We will discuss three national issues: environment and pollution safety, improvement in education system, healthcare and public safety. Prime Ministers will present the session agenda.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Our government is committed for a stronger and cleanest nation. I request to Environment Minister, Education Minister and Health Minister to present their national plans. We are ready to answer all the queries from the opposition.
Environment Ministers will present the plan.
Our country is facing pollution, deforestation and waste mismanagement. Our proposals include planting 1 lakh trees nationwide, reducing plastic uses in public places, installing waste segregation bins in all districts, and launching a Clean India, Green India school campaign.
This idea sounds good, but this really be implemented? What about the budget and timeline?
The Environment Ministry will receive rupees 25 crore for this mission and the timeline is 18 months.
We suggest involving students, youth clubs and local NGOs for faster and cheaper implementation.
We welcome the suggestion. We will prepare a joint action plan.
Discussion on environment concluded. Discussion on environment concluded. Education Ministers may present the plan for improving schools.
Our proposals include: first, smart classrooms for classes 6 to 10. Second, library and reading corners in every school. Third, teacher training workshops. Fourth, science and robotic clubs.
This improvement will strengthen the future generation.
Students appreciate smart classrooms, but what about the rural schools?
All government schools, rural and urban, will be upgraded step by step. Will there be a budget increase? And when will these changes actually begin?
The education sector will receive rupees 50 crores for this implementation and the implementation begins next academic year.
Any closing remarks? Any closing remarks?
We request all the members to support this education bill.
Health Minister may present the National Health Plan.
We propose building new health centers in 50 districts, nutrition programs in government schools, clean drinking water in rural areas, emergency helpline upgrades.
These are important steps, but how will you ensure that medicines are available at the low cost?
We will ensure that medicines are available at low cost so that people who are especially poor can easily afford it.
We will focus on women's hygiene, child nutrition and safety in schools and neighborhoods.
We will focus on police patrolling and cyber safety.
Healthy citizens depend on healthy food. Farmers will be trained to use organic farming methods. Ambulance services will be improved on national highways for quick medical assistance.
Health discussion concluded. Health discussion concluded.
Respected Prime Minister, when will this new health center start functioning? As soon as it is possible. We are thinking to start in the urban area. After finishing in the urban area, we will start in the rural areas too.
What is this? As soon as. We are listening this word from years. We are not getting solution on it. Is this a joke or what? I have evidence on it. More than 4.7 crore people have lost their life in corona due to the low healthcare in the country. Who is responsible? Healthcare department. They are doing nothing, just simply sitting and having fun.
It is not a joke. It is not a silly work. It is a hard work. It needs too much hard work. We are trying our best. It is not just like a silly work. I don't know why you are thinking like this.
Minister, please maintain the dignity of the House.
Respected Education Minister, will robotics and science lab will available for all students?
Yes, we have started this kind of experiment in the urban areas. Now we will look after it in the rural areas too.
Speaker, I have objection on it. I have noticed
teachers. We are going to implement this plan through this year.
We are seeing from years to years. Now only you have think about it. Many teachers have lost their life due to this work. You have any answer on it?
Of course, we do have this answer. We have thought that we will never let the people down. And from now onwards, you will never see any person die because of this matter.
We are also here. You are also here. We will see when this correct time will come.
Of course, it will come.
Here the discussion concludes and ministers are requested to take their seat. Now we will vote on the basis of three national bills: Environment Safety Bill, Education Development Bill and Health Mission Bill. All in favor? All against? The majority supports the bills. All three bills are passed.